Alright, guys. Mad love and respect for tuning on in. We are rocking and we are chilling. It's funny today. I said a bunch of actually really important information, and I didn't have my I didn't have my mic on. Alright, so we're going to go over it again, and I'm going to drop the links for the video so everybody can hear about it and hear about how to get into this. And this has been something that I've been utilizing and building on the different test nets, okay, because I saw a potential for multi-chain options. So when money starts flowing into crypto, okay, the big corporations are not going to trust one entity. All right, that's what diversification is. And cryptocurrency is great for diversification, being utilized for capital gains, corporation taking their money and utilizing it. So when you get a retirement fund, say you have $1,000 in a retirement fund, a certain percentage of that goes towards risk asset. That risk asset, okay, goes into high risk currencies, which will have high rewards. So there's two different kinds. There's high risk, high reward, or there is, low risk. Yeah, low risk, and okay. All right, let me get this. All right. We got the coin market cap, or I could swing through the prices of coin market cap. We'll swing. We'll start at that, and then I'm gonna give you guys the strategic ways. All right. All right. Let me get some of okay. All right. Okay. So yeah, we're just going through this. I want to drop links that way we can get people in here because I want to be able to share this with people that do end up stopping by because we're building this channel back up. Unfortunately, our 100K sub channel, we had a problem a long time ago where we had a character that we launched a meme for, a Japanese meme, and they didn't like it. It was a copyright. The dev had to pay fines, and oh, it was all kinds of stuff. I lost my accounts, my YouTube, all that wacky. And Wikipedia says that the rights are available to anybody. So it didn't make sense why they hit us. But that's okay. I'm going to build this back up. I'm going to start utilizing this channel. I'm going to do every day crypto news and streams. Then the projects that we work with and I work with, I'm going to talk about in each stream. Then I'll do individual updates, okay, on all the different projects. All right. And then we'll be inside the chats. And we are going to hold some one-on-one AMAs on the channel. And then also we're going to have here at my studio down from in NYC over here, I'm going to have a little studio and we're going to make it into a showroom for crypto talk over here in New York City. So the idea would be GameFi and all that kind of stuff, which is awesome. So there's a couple different aspects. So delivering and launching, a coin, all right, and then being able to have mining. So you guys want to hear all of this stuff happening, right? All right. Okay. All right. All right. Weird that Telegram is doing that. Okay. All right. So that's how that's going right now. Telegram, which is acting a little weird. We're gonna start utilizing multiple platforms. So what we're gonna do this week is today we're doing the YouTube and Telegram, and then tomorrow we'll do YouTube, Telegram, and Twitter Spaces, and then next day we'll do YouTube, Telegram, Twitter Spaces, and Reddit Lounge. All right. Okay. All right. Yeah, and then let me just get this over here. Yeah, hold on one second. Okay. And I just want to make sure I got everything set up here. I don't know why it was a little technical difficulties with the Telegram, which is weird. But yeah, we're getting all that straightened out here, so that way we can rock out. There's a lot of cool information happening. All right, let me hit new here. Okay. All right. Okay, so then that's cryptocurrency market cap. Okay. So we are all set up. I don't know why it ended up having a wacky little time right there, but yeah, we're set up. Hey, every once in a while technology likes to act a little wacky for you, right? All right, I'm going to go over and tell you exactly what is happening. I'm going to show you the markets, and I will show you guys exactly what targets, where the trades fall, and all of that. If you swing in the chat, okay, and you drop a hey, what's up? All right, and then you swing into a Telegram chat and say, hey, man, just saw your video. I enjoy and I love the support. Drop comments and much, much more. We are going to be having a VIP chat, okay, utilizing trading, and we're going to be giving out targets, daily targets, okay, and different ways for you to be able to earn passive income even if you don't. So over these past couple weeks, I've been helping people that only have $5 to their name, and to them, $5 to $20 or 20 to 100 is a lot to them. So if there's anything that we can do to help out the community, that is beneficial. Okay, so you can see the link is inside here. So all you got to do is just swing by, and you got your link. Okay. All right. We got our telegrams. Okay, we got our X. We got our X up right now. Okay, so we're rocking. We got our up. We're up on X. Okay, and we got the charts. We're gonna take a look at that and show you guys exactly what's going on. Why is it dipping? Okay, and this is the 20th. And it's Wednesday midday. So coming into the day, all right, we're gonna see some volatility coming into the market. Okay, so what you got to pay attention to is where is the money at, right? You want to know where is the money trolling? Where is the money at? So that is what we are looking for. All right, let me just make sure I drop these links over here for the peeps. All right, so we can all talk about this. So I want you guys to all benefit from this. Yeah, I want everybody to be able to benefit from this. So that way we can get our information out there. Okay. Yeah. Alright, yeah. Here we go. Yeah, rocking. Yeah, pushing it. Uh-huh. Alright, so we'll do a couple little shout outs. I was just talking to a couple different people that were rocking from there, and let me just go ahead and yeah, Royal Hand. Okay, good morning, fam. Yeah, join us. Yeah, so people are definitely rocking with that. And then actually, let me go ahead and swing over here real quick. So right now we're on the charts. Okay, we are on the 30-minute chart. Let me just put it on the 1 hour chart real quick, so you can actually see. I'm using an indicator. Okay, it's called Trader's Reality. Okay, and then how that indicator works is, okay, the Trader's Reality indicator, it has all of your moving averages. It has all of your pivot points, your different levels. So you see Trader's Reality, right? So as you can see, in between these different trading sessions, right? You can see, I'll mark it off for you. You see all these different boxes? Those are all the different sessions. So you see different session in Tokyo. Those are the most volatile times a day, right? So those are the times a day that we like to pay attention to. All right? So that's why we need to, pay attention to those certain points, in the markets. I am just getting us across the board here. Okay, and I just wanted to I just wanted to just hit it and get it out there. Okay, bada boom, bada bang. And then what do we got through the Telegram? What do we got here? What do we got? Report it. Message it. Okay. Okay. Alright, so we see this. And then we have all that going on. Okay. Okay. Yep. And then inside the question box here, make sure to follow all the socials. Make sure to swing by Twitter because we drop some of the latest and greatest information. And then when you see different groups and projects that I'm in and I'm inside the Telegram links, you can hop in there and you can ask me any questions and I will be fully transparent with you guys to the max. Alright, let me hit this. Hit that. Okay, so I dropped that there. Okay. Alright, so now we are on the charts. Right now, basically what I was just doing is I was just flipping and, getting through everybody so that way I can get everybody rocking. No, you don't need it. I don't need it. Alright, so that way I can get everybody rocking. And we can get it going over here because it was a little bit of a technical difficulty. So let me fix this little issue on the back end, and then I'm gonna hop right back into the crypto news channels and the charts and feeds. Regardless of there's a little glitch on the back end of whatever they have going on here. You know what I mean? Whatever they have going, whatever kind of stuff that's happening, right? So we have that. Okay, so let me fix that right there. We got that. Alright, let's build this audience up into the chat. Let's see if we can get 20 people live on stream. And if we hit 20 people live, I will give away 3 NFTs. And then we're going to also do a video to break down the whole structure of how the monetary system is going to work best with cryptocurrency. Okay, yep, I'm doing some massive upgrades to the website to break it down for revenue share. Revenue share by people being able to buy NFTs, which will get them into the revenue share portion of the bi-weekly claims of Bitcoin sent to their wallets according to what they hold and how many tokens they hold. So it's definitely beneficial for that. So say you buy one NFT for one BNB, okay? By the end of the 30-day period, that one BNB is worth 500 right now, okay? The end of that period, that NFT you brought, you'll end up making anywhere between $150 to $200 extra on top of that, because not only will you get the Bitcoin mining, we also do leverage trade, and we also do lending and borrowing live on Excel and spreadsheets, and we're going to open up a chat and have that basically based so that way we can do all of that together. So we're going to go through today's crypto, and then we're going to talk about that, and basically have the opportunity to be a part of that. Okay. Alright, let me see here. Okay. Let me see. Where were we? Okay. Alright. Alright. I'm just taking a couple looks at things so that way I can get that out there to you guys. And I don't want to give any false information. I've worked with multiple projects, BSC projects, and represented them, and worked with a lot of devs. And in the end, when you're the face and you're doing the AMA and you're doing the VCs and you're talking to the holders, okay, you're the face of the project, So when stuff happens, people come to you. So then, the reason devs hire people to speak and represent is because they don't want to deal with that. So it's kind of like managing the community. It's a psychological aspect to doing it. So also a bunch of different courses to learn for that, and then we'll set up giveaways. Then another thing we would do, if you live in a city, let us know, and we're going to make stickers. And you place stickers at bus stops, okay? So people can scan the stickers. And each sticker, that each person that receives a sticker, your sticker will have a unique code. So if they use your sticker to buy, you'll get a kickback, all right? Then we can open up an e-commerce platform and say there's whales that want to sell. Instead of selling on the open market and dumping the chart, what they can do is they can say, hey, is there anybody on this OTC? I have 10K worth of tokens I want to sell. Does anybody want to buy them? And then somebody says yes, and then we'll put into a multi-sig wallet, and then signatures will be signed, and the person will get their tokens without messing up the wallet. So that's another innovative feature, okay? Because that stops the mass sell pressure, all right? A lot of people we deal with, and the developers and everybody, some developers are not used to all of a sudden having 100K, so they don't make the right decisions right away, So the idea of it is to listen, okay, and learn, all right, and we can talk, okay? This is something that's just definitely beneficial to us all. So we're going to be talking, with the teams, and there's a bunch of different things that we're going to be able to do in that regard. Okay, and then let's see what we got going on here. All right, so I need you guys here, right? Okay, to hit this, all right? So I'm going to be doing the pre-launch video chat at Baby Toothless. It's set. Okay, I'm going to show you guys. Okay, you'll see the timer set. I'm going to put that in the chat so you guys can join in on that. All right, for you guys that know me and follow, you guys already know what it is. All right, so this is going to be the next thing that we're going to be rocking at. And we have a bunch of exciting things that we believe will be beneficial in the crypto industry. Okay, not only generating revenue, but also cross-generating revenue. Okay, to keep that cycle going. You can't always have money going out. You need money coming in. Okay, so there's a balance in that regard. All right, so the ideas and visions, okay, now that I work with these projects and I'm an advisor, a host, AMA speaker, collaborator, all right, other projects that end up collaborating, we collaborate with them, okay, and then we tell them to add LP as an LP pair with our token and their token, okay, and then that will be beneficial for our token, because anytime people buy the new token, okay, they will have to buy our token, okay, or they can use BNB, but if they buy our token, we can think of a nice little incentive. So we're going to be having some group meetings to talk about what's going to be the best aspect to go about this, because there's a whole ecosystem behind this that can be built, okay, and this is just something that is, it's in the mix, all right. So that's just something that I needed to say, to tell everybody, right? So we needed to make it on that, okay, and then here, here, all right. I'm just I'm swinging real quick over to, alright. Okay, yeah, that's okay, so yeah, that's what we want to do. We're going to end up building up the YouTube page. What are we gonna FOMO? Okay, he's got people with the live watching. So that way we can join with GIFs. I'm just getting some the video link out to some of the peeps out there. Yeah, yeah, getting the peeps out there. Okay, let me just swing back around right quick. And then bada boom, bada bang. Let's see what we got here. Let's see what's opportunity. See who's live right now. Okay, he's live right now. Okay. Alright, we hit that. Yeah, just hitting a few of the crypto, Bitcoin live stream real quick. See who's live. That shows me. Alright, 22 hours ago, 2 hours ago, 5 hours ago, 2 hours, dump it, okay. See everybody, the sediment, and when you see the sediment starting to go like that, you know that it's going to be, a switch in the market. You know what I mean? You're going to see a switch. Okay, let me go add this real quick. We get that. And then let me YouTube Kids Premium Studio. Where is it? Oh, live. Okay, where is this? Alright. We are rocking. We are rocking with you guys. Okay, yep, we're rocking. Okay. Alright. And then I want to get some other chats into the cheat, okay, and then I can run through. So we were just, running through some things. So we're gonna build this channel back up nicely. We'll gain the traction. People will start to see the bullishness and the information and media that we talk about and targets and all that fun stuff. Okay, because it's definitely a fully transparent rocked out. Awesome. Alright. Okay. 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 Alright. We gotta do overall crypto. We gotta do overall crypto. Let me just swing through these. Okay. Okay. Let's go. Okay. Right now we are just on the 30-minute chart, and that's why I'm just sitting. Okay. Here. There you go. And I'm just going to do the rundown on crypto. Okay, okay. Alright. I just wanted to get this in there so I can get this kicked off. Okay, okay. Everybody's been patiently waiting, right? Let me just hit those real quick. We're gonna hit those real quick, and then we're gonna hit those, and then we'll run through everything. I just want to drop all of these onto our streamy. For the peeps. For the peeps. Okay. 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 Alright. So, crypto news. We were taking a look at that. We're using CMC for the crypto prices. Okay, so we can go through our crypto prices. So we're going to utilize CoinMarketCap for our crypto prices so we can run down. And then we're going to take a look at the charts over here on TradingView. And then I'm just going to show you a few different time frames and a few different key pointers on how to trade. If you want to get to know more, you could find in my bios and in my descriptions to get into the private chats and call chats that we have out there for you. And we'll be doing VIP information for some of the upcoming next projects. Are you ready? Okay, so starting off, okay, over here on CMC coin market cap. Today's overall cryptocurrency market cap is 2.34 trillion, which is down 5%. 24-hour volume is 180.5 billion, up 20%. Bitcoin dominance 52.1, ETH dominance 16.3. ETH gas 32 GUI, so it came down a bit. Fear and greed is at 74 right now, so that did come down a bit. Now, let's look at happening with the market here. Now, this is opportunity here, guys. Opportunity. Bitcoin now at 61,345, down 6% in the past 24 hours, and 14%, damn near 15% in the past 7 days. 1.2 trillion market cap, still 72 bill in volume, right? Ethereum, $3,117, 7.8% to the downside today. And now we are below that 400 bill market cap, and we're at 374. USDT still holding their valuation of 103.7 billion in USDT, right? Binance, BNB, 507. It pulled back 4.1% in the past 24 hours. So we did actually hit like 550. Okay, so it's, it's 5% on the 7-day, 4% on today. So that's when we see these moves, right? $75.8 billion market cap, $4 billion in volume, which is actually good, right? Volume starting to come back to BSC. Solano, $165.88. Today it's down 11.8. Okay, so this is the opportunities to be made out there in the market because you want to be in it to win it, right? Correct? XRP, number 6 spot, 57 cents, down 4.6% today, 31.6 bill market cap, 3 bill in volume. Look, actually, I forgot to tell you, Solano has a $10.7 billion in volume on Solano chain, which is insane. That's where the volume's at. That's where you see those meme coins, okay? And then that's where you see all those different meme coins kicking out. And then that's where you see all these different people, moving their money from one spot to another spot. And that's how you can see moving back and forth. Diversifying your stable coins. So you got USDT and you got USDC. Okay, so you always diversify your stable coins. All right. So Cardano sitting at 58 cents, down 7.5 today, down 22 on the week. 20 bill market cap, 1.1 bill in volume. Avalanche at $51, down 12% on the day. 19 bill market cap. Dogecoin down to 12, so that's 6% to the downside. Check that out. Heavy volume here in the market, so there must be a lot of stuff happening and going on behind the scenes to be seeing this stuff happening in the market, right? Okay. Shiba Inu, right there with Doge. I don't know if you guys remember when the meme coin madness was happening. Okay, Shiba is sitting there right with Doge. Look, 17 bill market cap and then 14 bill market cap for Shiba. All right, Doge, look, 2.8 bill market cap for 2.8 bill market cap. Hold on, where did I put my okay, yeah, 2.8 bill. Yeah, 2.8 bill in volume on Doge. Shiba 1.8. Toncoin, at one point we see that spike and that skyrocket. So when I did see that little bit of pullback, I did grab a little bit of Toncoin, but I didn't really, I didn't go crazy and grab much because I didn't know what was going to happen, but at least I was in it, at least we were in it and we were rocking with it, right? Okay, so we have all of our stuff out there. We talked about the top 10, and then we have a lot of other coins that are going to be up and coming and going to be doing really good in this bull market. I want to hear from the communities. I want to hear from you guys of what you guys think. What are you guys buying? Okay, and what are your aspects on the market? Okay, you can go ahead and you can tell me that. Don't forget to swing by our Telegram. Okay, and you can get this. I'm going to drop this actually in the link here. This is Telegram. You can drop that, and you can get into the trading channels, and you can see all the information and news that I drop from there. And then I'm also gonna drop you the link tree. All right. All right. Copy link. Okay, so I got you on the link tree, so that way you'll be able to get all of that information. Okay? Yeah. Okay, so we went through everything. Let's go ahead real quick and just show you the chart so we can just call this out on a day. So we're going to look at Bitcoin real quick, and Bitcoin on the 1 hour chart is now at the 800 EMA. Now, what I've been saying to you guys is I've been waiting for these opportunities, and I've been telling you I've been telling you guys that there's going to be opportunities that are going to happen like this, okay? So, on this 1 hour chart, we did come back down to that 800 EMA. Even on the 30-minute chart, okay? Watch. It's going to pull up. I'm using Trader's Reality Indicator, and you can see now the open sessions in Tokyo, whatever, they're doing a little bit of dumping. If we do see more dumping, we can see Bitcoin come down to the M1 pivot zone at 58,410. So that could be a target of a downside movement for Bitcoin. Now, what I want to do is shorter term time frames to see what's going on for crossovers. Okay, to see are we going to continue further towards the downside from sell-offs during these sessions. Okay, so see, as you see it, we're right at that edge. Okay, so if we break that edge and we go below, then that, yeah, see, we're actually witness it right here. Let's go 5. Let's just actually go right to the 5. Okay, and then as you can see, the 5 actually, if it hits below this other 5, okay, and then this MACD is not crossing over, you see how it's going down, we want it to cross back up and over, but it's not. It's turning towards the downside. Okay, so that means that we can see other levels of pulling towards the downside. All right, let me go ahead and take a look at the 1 hour again on Bitcoin. And then as you can see on the MACD, okay, that we did cross over and it's turned down, right? We're below this 800 EMA and we're below the daily open, okay? Now, you see these pivot zones? The next pivot zone, okay, if we don't fail to make it back above that 800, like I said, the M1 zone at 5,000, 58,000, wait, what was I going to say? 58,370. That would be a target for me. So first range buy target is going to be obviously right below 60, and then second range target would be in that range to find out what's going on depending on what's happening in the news today, guys, right? Now, let's go into the daily for Bitcoin. I told you guys, I said Bitcoin, it needed a cool down, okay? So, we did need this. Look at this. Rise. Retrace. continuation to the upside. This was so needed. We so needed to come back down to these moving averages in order for us to expand and blow up in the market. So this is actually beneficial, and this is on the daily. You can see the MACD is turned down. So I will be looking for signals of when sell-offs will, stop. So we'll be paying attention to that. We are watching on the daily until we get to that 50 EMA, which is at 58,890. If we don't hold that and we break that, the next target is at 200 EMA on the daily, which is at 44,645. All right, and that's your daily targets for Bitcoin. Ethereum is at 3,106. You can also see that Ethereum did pull below its 50 moving average, so it broke that. Okay, the 200 moving average is sitting right there at 2,483. So there is a possibility for it to come back, but you can see a heavy support range coming into play here, okay? And also the MACD is turned down. So this is implying that there's some more sell pressure on the back end, okay? That's what we were actually taking a look at and paying attention to, and we'll be doing that all day. Binance, BNB, look, it topped out, okay? It hasn't come, okay? So technically it could end up coming to 434 on that 50 EMA. And then let me just show you Solana real quick. Solana, I'm waiting for a retrace to that 50 EMA so we can rock out with you guys and show you. And I just wanted to get you guys this information out, get it out there, and rock out, guys. Don't forget to hit that sub. Don't forget to subscribe. Rock out with us on X because we're always doing some of the latest and greatest stuff, man. We got a lot of cool things going on, and you really got to stop by and check us out. We got a lot of news and everything, and we love you guys as always. Mad love and respect. You were chilling with Jay Strategies, where we talk about the latest and greatest crypto projects, news, and much, much more. Until then.